Hello beautiful friends, welcome back. That is right, today I'm doing a Sugar Plum Fairy inspired makeup look. Having grown up with ballet, I was absolutely obsessed with her dance in the Nutcracker. Now, I know she's a fairy of the land of sweets, but I thought it would be cool to put a whimsical woodland twist to her. So my foundation is magically done. I know, cheesy. I'm sorry. And I'm going into my primed eyes with a very highly pigmented purplish fuchsia color that I'm blending all the way into my crease from the inner corner of my eye to the outer corner. Blending it out with a nice fluffy brush. After that is done, I am taking a purpley sparkly eyeshadow and I'm applying that to my crease, patting it on all the way through evenly. I'm also taking some of that sparkly purple color and blending it right below my brow. And with that fuchsia purple color that I applied to my crease, I'm also blending it to the outer corners of my eyes and my bottom lid. Next, I'm taking some purple and silver eye glitter, patting both glitters over some glitter glue on my lid for a very sparkly, sugar plummy effect. After curling my lashes, I took some white face paint and guys, I used it as mascara. I know, weird, but I didn't have white mascara, so I worked with what I had and I didn't go blind. So if you're gonna recreate this look, I would highly recommend getting some white mascara. Do as I say, not as I do, okay? Yay! For my brows, I am mixing some white and purple face paint to create a lilac color, and I am applying that all over my brows. I also added a little red into the mix to make it a more pinkish lilac. After it dries, I am also applying some white over my brows to add a frosty snowy effect. With a medium purple color, I am contouring from the inner corners of my brows to the bridge of my nose, only like about halfway through the tip of my nose and the sides of my cheeks. And I'm taking an iridescent pinkish highlighting color and I'm applying that to the tip of my nose and to my cheekbones. Topping it all off with a very pink blush, which I am blending to my cheeks and my chin. Now for the extra fun part, which makes her more woodsy. With a white eyeliner pencil, I'm designing some swirlies, kind of like some vine looking things, and tracing over that with a green eyeliner. And I'm painting over the green eyeliner with some green face paint, and I'm doing this in order to intensify and bring that design out even more. Then with a purple eyeliner, I'm drawing little circles, which are supposed to be sugar plums, all over these vines. I know plums grow on trees, not vines, but let's just pretend they grow on vines here. I'm also mixing some purple and red to make it more plummy in color, and I'm applying that over the purple plums that I just drew in with the pencil, and then I'm frosting them with some white face paint to make them frosty, you know? Sugar frosty, sugar plums, frosty frost. I'm also adding some frost with that white paint over the vines to add some more dimension. Almost done! Finally, for the lips, I am taking a dual colored lip pencil and I am applying the darker color first to my lips and then going over that with the lighter lilac color to create a light purple. So after I'm done blending those two colors, I finally go over it with a metallic lip color to add some shine and sparkly effect, since this Sugar Plum Fairy is snowy and sparkly and glittery and all that is good with the Christmas world. Finally, I just put on my headpiece that I DIY'd myself and a crown, and you're done. That's it, really. I think this look would go fantastic with a purple wig or like some white spray paint on your hair so your hair could look frosted. I didn't have either one available, but if you try it, I would definitely recommend it. That's all that I have for today, folks. Subscribe for more and leave a like if you liked this video. Sending you guys all a really big hug, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hi. Oh, want to be in the video? Hi. Oh my god, guys, I know. Charlie, please don't eat the decorations. Oh god. Charlie, you like it?